Today, I'm going to show you how to install a powerful AI assistant called Claudebot on your Proxmox server. By self-hosting your own AI, you stay in control of your data, your infrastructure, and how the assistant connects to your apps. Let's jump straight in. First, we need a clean and isolated environment. In Proxmox, we'll create an LXC container, which is like a lightweight and super efficient virtual machine. For this setup, I'm assigning 2 GB of RAM and a 20 GB disk, giving the app enough room to run smoothly. Once the container is created, start it and open the console. You're now inside a fresh Ubuntu system. Before installing anything, update the package list and upgrade the system to make sure everything is up to date. Claudebot runs on Node.js, so we need to install it next. Add the official Node.js repository and install the latest version. After installation, verify it by checking the Node version to confirm everything worked correctly. Here's a small but critical step many people miss. The installer requires Git, and a minimal Ubuntu container doesn't include it by default. Install Git now so the Claudebot installer can run without errors. Now we're ready for the main installation. Use npm to install Claudebot globally. You'll see warnings during the process. That's normal. Once it finishes, run the onboarding command with the install daemon flag to set Claudebot as a background service that starts automatically. The setup wizard will guide you through the configuration. First, you'll need an API key from Anthropic or OpenAI. This is what gives your AI its intelligence. Next, choose a messaging platform. For the easiest setup, select Telegram and paste the bot token you get from Botfather. The wizard may offer to install extra skills, like web browsing or location services. You can enable them now or skip anything that requires an API key you don't have. Once the wizard finishes, Claudebot is up and running in the background. To access the Claudebot web dashboard, create a secure tunnel from your local computer using your Proxmox server IP and container ID. Open your browser, and you'll see the control panel where you can chat with your AI, view logs, and connect additional platforms like Discord or Slack. And that's it. You've successfully installed your own private AI assistant on Proxmox. It runs on your hardware, under your control, and integrates with the tools you already use.